Good afternoon, all. This is Road Tractor Smriti Tomar, PIS Director for the year 2021 and 22. Welcome to Chai with Alumni Season 2, Episode 4. Today we have Miss Bushra Sheikh as our guest. She is very kind, humble, and helpful person. She started her road track journey as a member and moved on to becoming Partners in Service Director and then Chairwoman Partners in Service, Human Resource Development, and Public Relations. This show was initiated under her guidance. Also, she has won Best Road Track Award from KPB Hinduja College of Commerce in the year 2019 and 20. A very warm welcome to you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Don't call me ma'am, please.
Okay,
And this was a great introduction. I missed calling Rotractor Bushra Sheikh.
I know that is why we have called you here so that we can relive those memories. So,
Oh.
starting with the first question, what was your reason behind joining Rotract?
Okay, so I knew that there is a position called PIS director. I never
Okay.
wanted to have fun, and people join Rotract because of fun, and they wanted to do something different from college. I just
Yes.
wanted to join Rotract because I wanted to become a PIS director.
Oh, that's great.
That was the one reason I joined Rotract.
Okay. Who is your inspiration in life?
Like in Rotract.
No, in life in general, whoever
General.
is your inspiration.
Okay, so you might you you don't know this person. He's my sir. His name is Sajid Sheikh. He's a professor. I'm
Okay.
very, you know, I look up to him. He's very inspirational for me.
Okay. Is he in our college?
No, 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 no.
All
He
right,
has
all
his
right.
own classes.
All right, all right. That's great. So the next is a rapid fire round. You have to answer quickly to all the questions that we ask. Are you ready for it?
Yes, let's do this.
Okay. On a scale of 1 to 10, how messy is your apartment? 1 being a complete mess and 10 being organized.
One.
1. Okay.
No, no, five, five.
All right. It's in between.
Yes.
Okay. So the next question is, what is your deepest fear?
Fear.
Yes.
Losing somebody or someone.
Okay. Okay. What is the funniest thing you have ever witnessed during a Zoom call?
Oh, I was eating and I forgot that my camera was off. On, sorry, oh, sorry.
Your camera was on. Next is, what is your favorite part of your job or day?
That at the end of the day, I get to sleep.
Sleeping is your priority. What is your go-to snack?
French fries
Okay.
from McDonald's.
Only from McDonald's, nowhere else.
No.
Okay. So next one is not a rapid fire. We have ended with that session. So how does it feel like to be on a chat show which was initiated under your guidance?
Oh, so I remember that I and Darshan were at McDonald's and we were discussing that we are doing in my year when I was a PIS director, we were doing like really good in every pillars you can say, and in every area of PIS, but
Okay.
not in like our alumni was not as active as I wanted. So I am thinking that why these people are not active and let's do something for alumni. And then he said ki yeah, let's do something. And then मेरी एक director, you know her, I guess, Riya Jain.
Yes, yes, I know her.
I guess she or Pauline, and like हम discuss कर रहे थे ऐसे ही, and then we, that Coffee with Karan, the show.
Yes.
So
Yes.
this idea came from that ki let's do chai with alumni. And
Okay.
then this
We
started,
will
and
do
now
it.
I'm hoping that this become legacy.
Yes, I am taking care of it. So be assured. What are you currently doing and what are your aspirations in life?
So currently I'm preparing for entrance exam, and I'm also handling the social media of my classes. And
Okay.
like I wanted to do MBA, and that's my goal for right now. And you know better, माइंड कितना चेंज होता रहता है. समटाइम्स वी फील कि ये करते हैं, लेट्स डू दिस, एंड देन द नेक्स्ट डे वी फील कि ये अच्छा नहीं है, लेट्स डू सम अदर थिंग्स.
Yes, I know that. So next one is again a game that is Never Have I Ever.
Okay.
The question one is Never have I ever fallen asleep in public.
I have.
Never have gone more than a day without
Nope.
brushing my teeth.
You.
No. Never have I ever held a grudge longer than a year.
Yep. I have.
Yeah. Okay. I won't ask you the name. Let's be a secret.
You should not.
Yeah. Never have I ever regifted something.
Nope.
No.
Who added this question? Pauline.
We both did it.
Okay.
Never have I ever ruined someone else's vacation.
I did my own.
Own. Okay. So the next question is how was your experience as event management HOD at the Hinduja Carnival?
Oh, okay. It was all fun. I got to learn so many things. Like I remember that Poojan, we both were co HODs, and yeah, I learned so many things, and it was nice.
Okay. So would you like to point out your learnings from Rotract?
Yes, definitely. कितने सारे ऐसे रात हो जाएगी.
So
So
any
you can call
highlight?
it punctual sometimes,
Okay.
and uh, wow, अभी याद ही नहीं आ रहा है मुझे. Personality
Writing reports is the
development,
thing I have
confidence.
learned.
Sorry?
Writing reports is one thing that I have learned.
Oh shit. Please don't remember that. Please. बहुत ऐसे shits था मेरे टाइम पे. मेरा सबसे ऐसे main, I, managing things, writing down things, journaling, that I
Yes.
got to learn.
Okay. So the next one is again a game. I would be giving you two options in which you have to choose one. Google Photos or old albums.
Old albums.
PIS or HRD.
PIS for life.
Introvert or extrovert.
Extrovert with people who I love. And बाकी सबके लिए introvert.
Introvert. Logic or emotion.
Logic, anytime.
Food trucks or restaurants.
Restaurants.
Okay. So the last question is one piece of advice you would like to give to the team of 2021 and 22.
So to be honest, I'm not seeing the activities because I'm quite busy these days. But
Okay.
yeah, sorry for that. I will be active.
No
So
problem.
the one piece of advice is that if you are taking a responsibility, take it seriously and
Yes.
just have fun. Just have fun. Just enjoy the process because these days will not come again. And आगे जाके तुम ऐसे
Yes.
throwback देखोगे कि यार those days was really amazing.
Right. So before we let you go, we have something for you. Vanisha, can we have the hamper?
That's really sweet of you.
So
Thank you
this
so
is a
much.
thank
Pauline,
you.
I'm killing you. I'm sure the pictures are.
Why so?
Why this shadi photos? Who did that?
Oh, that is so beautiful, but I
Please,
liked it.
thank you.
No, seriously, I liked it. Even the one in the Western dress next to that picture. That is also very cool dude kind of picture.
That is from Raila, our favorite event of my year.
And the rest, oh,
Yes.
that's nice. So with this, we end this Chai with Elimini season 2, episode 4. Thank you so much,
Wait,
Bushra,
wait,
for
wait.
coming to the
Where
chat
is,
show. On
I'll say something. Where is my chai?
I'm not able to hear you.
Now? Am I audible? Am I audible now?
Bushra, your voice is stuck in between.
No. Now?
Yeah, proper.
I was saying, where is my chai?
Where is your chai? You had to get it from your home.
I was kidding. Thank you so much. I had lots of fun.
Thank you so much for coming on such a short notice. Very sweet of you. You are really a very humble person.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.